YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. If you want to spread positivity today, then say something nice in the comments and brighten someone's day. If you're new to the channel, we post a variety of content. Please check out our other videos, which I'm sure you'll like. I'm taking over this video. Okay, I just advanced the week. I've not seen who won the Super Bowl, so let's go check it out. Okay, Peyton Manning just retired. That's why I did not pick him. I know he was a higher overall, but if I picked him, he would have retired, so I would have been left without a quarterback. So I went with the young Russell Wilson. The Jets won the Super Bowl. Okay, my prediction was a little wrong. I'll admit, I was wrong. Okay, now I'm going to be going to re-sign all my players. I have a decent money in cap, so who do I want to sign and who do I even need to resign? So not much. I guess I'll resign Cody Parkey just for the memes. No, I'm not giving him $40 million. That's crazy. I mean, $20 million. I bet he would accept that. Oh, heck no. I guess I'll sign them. I'll just sign them, but I only want to sign them for cheap. Yeah, I guess. Because I want to sign some free agents, make some trades, so I don't have any cap room. Can't do any of that. I'm going to sign up to $1 million. Worst comes to worst, I'll just pick up a cheap one. It doesn't matter much. Dang, a lot of people contracts expired. Dang, I have to pay him. Yeah, I'm gonna pay you $20 million. Just gonna pay $700K for 2 years. Cause I really don't want to give out too much money. Cause I definitely want to sign some players. Cause last year I wanted to see what a team could do. I thought we had a decent team. We were 85 overall or 87. We had a pretty decent overall. Oh, he's not interested. We'll see if we can try to sign him. Cause we got a couple players. Yeah, that's fine. I just need a little bit of depth at the position. Center, we'll just sign him. Yeah, I guess. Because you always want to have a serviceable backup. Serviceable. Ooh, he's not interested. Try to sign him. Sounds good. Dang, he's not interested either. $1 million. I'll sign. He's still young, so I'll sign him. Alright. Okay, I've re-signed a bunch of the players, but I've also lost a bunch of the players. So let me show you who I re-signed. So people that I didn't sign is all these people. But I signed pretty much every other person. Okay, now I'm gonna do some trades, see who I can get. I think I have an extra D tackle that I could use, I could trade. So I could definitely get some good value for that. Because I don't need 3 good. I can pick up 1. Can't trade yet. Okay, then I'm going to advance to free agency so I can do trades and stuff, sign some players. Alright, so see you guys in like 2 seconds. Okay, free agency is here. Hopefully there's some good people that I can grab. So far, not really anybody good. Fullbacks, punters, D-tackles. Dang. Not really picking up too many players. Blair Walsh. The memes. No good quarterbacks. I guess I'll try to pick up him for very cheap. And I'll lowball him like $3 million for like 3 years. Just as like a backup running back. Fullbacks, there's plenty of fullbacks. James Jones, he's 32. Only older wideouts. I guess I'll try to sign him. I'll lowball him, like give him like $4 million for 4 years, or like total of 6. See if I can get James Jones for cheap. Oh, I'm not giving him 90 million. 3 million, hopefully I'll take that. Tight end. I'll take Zach Miller for cheap. No. Wants me to give them expensive contracts. Oof, this is really bad. I don't think I need a center. Actually, no, I need a backup center. So I'll just take like, who's cheap? I'll just take him for like, oof. Okay, perfect. What? Okay. This is really bad. 32, 33. I guess I'll sign him for like 2 million just as a backup. Maybe I'll even trade him. No. I guess I'll try to sign him just in case if I can't trade anybody. Nobody. Dang, this is really bad. He's 33. Guess I'll sign him to like, no. 3 year. And then that's gonna be it. It's not good that there are so many teams, so many kickers, punters, fullbacks that are the highest. Now we're gonna do some free agency. Let's look at our team. Punter, we're good. Ugh. Kicker, I guess we're good. Strong safety, we're good. Free safety, we're good. Cornerback, we could use. Right outside linebacker, we're good. Middle linebacker, we're good. Left outside linebacker, he's still young, so we're good. D-tackle, we're amazing. I'm probably gonna trade Geno Atkins to get some good players. Right end, we're gonna need a right end soon. I guess we're good there. Left end, we definitely need some help. Right tackle, we're good. Right guard, we're good. Center, we're good. Left guard, we're good. Couple regression from the O-line. Left tackle, we're good. Tight end, we could do some help. Wide receiver, we could pick up maybe one more or two. Fullback, we're good. Running back, we could pick up maybe one more. Quarterback, we're good. So I'm gonna do some trades. I'm gonna highlight some of the trades. I'm definitely gonna be trading Geno Atkins. I could probably get good value for him. So I'll probably show you guys this trade. Does the Bengals want him? Hopefully they can offer me somebody good. Can I just have Richard Sherman? Okay, worth the shot. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys who I get for him. Hey guys, so I was able to trade Geno Atkins for a first and a second round pick. I threw in a 5th round pick. So I was able to get first and second round pick for Geno Atkins. I threw in like a 5th round pick, but I don't care. I'm going to advanced free agency and let's go. Okay, this goes quickly because I want to get like one really good player, hopefully. Okay, ooh, a lot of people. Okay, contract accepted. Okay. Now I'm probably, because I picked up a couple players, I'm not gonna need this many players. So now I can trade a couple wideouts. I don't think I need, because everybody always wants wideouts. So I'll trade him. See, he's always green. So I'm gonna be doing a couple trades, seeing what I can get in return. I'm hoping I can get like a middle linebacker. And I just need like, can we try to get Luke Kuechly? I might throw in a 1st round pick. Like the 18th overall. See if I can try to get Clay Matthews. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of these type of trades, and I'll show you guys who I can get. Okay, big news. I traded a 2nd round pick plus the guy you just saw for Clay Matthews. So my defense is gonna be way better. He's like a 92 overall. So that is gonna help us so much. I'll trade a 2nd round pick for him. Look at our new middle linebacker, Clay Matthews. So now we have an 84 overall as our 2nd middle linebacker. Now, right outside linebacker, I think we're fine. See if I can pick up like a corner. I'm gonna try to pick up a corner. I'll show you guys what I can get. Guys, crazy stuff just happened. I traded a second round, a 3rd round, and a wide receiver for the 1st overall pick and the 1st overall pick in the 2nd round. That's a steal. So now we can pick anybody we want because we got the 1st round draft pick, the 1st overall. Let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna advance a week. Picked up a couple people. I'm happy. Hopefully we can make the playoffs. Advance a week. Alright. So I think the draft is going to be coming up. I traded away most of our late round picks. I think we have like 3 first rounders, a 2nd, 4th, and a 6th and a 7th, I think. So we got 3 first round picks. Okay, we got a cornerback and a wide receiver. So we have 80 and 93 overall offense and an 89 defense. That's not bad. I think our team just got a whole lot better. So let me show you guys our team now. Okay, quarterback, Russell Wilson, young. Running back, 91, 81, 72. Fullback, like 84, not bad. Okay, 80, 80, 78, 77, 76, 75. Tight end is probably our weakest spot, but we'll have one weak spot. 84 overall, left tackle. Left guard, we're good. Pretty much our O-line is good. Left end, we could use help. Right end, our D tackles are perfect. Left outside linebacker. And boom, Clay Matthews. 92 overall as our starting middle linebacker, and he's going to be our other middle linebacker. Right outside linebacker, 80 overall, nothing too special. Then we got a couple of corners. Probably trading DJ Moore to see what I get. Free safety, we're good. Strong safety. Kicker. And then we have the number 1 overall, the 10th overall, the 18th, and then the 33rd, and then the 4th, 6th, and 7th. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. It projects us to go to the NFC Championship game. Hopefully we can win. That's how our team's looking. I'm probably going to see if I can sign any free agents, do some trades. Pretty much that's going to be it. Then we're going to go into the draft. So our D line's an 86. Our linebacker core is probably the weakest part of our team. I'm going to see if I can try to do a couple more trades. But I'm pretty happy with the team. Okay, huge deal just went out from my team. We got a 91 overall left end. That was one of our big positions of need. We traded a 73 cornerback and a 77 older wideout with a 4th round pick to get a left end. One big position need. That's huge. Okay guys, I just advanced another week, so we're gonna see who we got. Okay, go to the top. Okay, he rejected us. He rejected. Okay, we got Cole Beasley. He rejected us. He accepted. He rejected. He rejected. He rejected. And he accepted. Okay, so let's take a look at our team. I probably may do 1 or 2 more trades. Probably for the most part, this is going to be our team. Okay, starting quarterback will be Russell Wilson, 90 overall. Backup Kirk Cousins. Then this is our running back core, fullback. Now this is way too many wideouts. But one thing in Madden 16, and I believe in most Maddens, is wide receivers are always green light. Let's just look at this. Usually if they're young, green. So they're 99% of the time going to be green. So that kind of bodes well for us. So I'm going to see what I can get. But I'm gonna show you guys what I can get later. So back to the team. Okay, tight ends are definitely our biggest, 77 overall. You guys pretty much know the team. Middle linebacker. Oh, one of the big changes. Mario Williams. Yes, he's a little older, but he's been in the league for 10 years. Still 91 overall. Yeah, I'm taking the 91 overall. So that's definitely a big addition to the defense. Then we got Clay Matthews, a big pickup. So I've been busy this offseason, and I have 3 first-round draft picks, and then the 32nd overall. I had to trade my 4th rounder away, but what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna show you guys the draft, and the highlights for the trades. Bro, huge deal just went down. I traded 2 wideouts that I was never gonna use First round pick for Sheldon Rankinson, a 98 overall player. And then I'm gonna get my first round pick back. Let's go. That's crazy. This is gonna be huge. Now our D-line is gonna be great. Okay, so we are gonna see who we sign. Like, who's our rookies. We had 3 first-round draft picks. Picked a cornerback, a wide receiver, a cornerback, a D-tackle, and a free safety. I think we had a pretty good draft. Hopefully we got good overalls. At 80 overall left tackle, cornerback, wide out. Yeah, not the greatest. Okay, a future left tackle. Then we got a 77 overall corner, and then wide out. So we're gonna go into this season. There was no really good outside linebackers or linebackers just in general. So let's look at the roster. Then we're gonna sim to the playoffs. Okay, quarterback Russell Wilson, perfect. Running backs, perfect. Fullback, perfect. Wide receivers, I'd say pretty good. Tight end, okay. Left tackle, because he's getting older, so soon he'll replace him. Good pick by me. Left guard, good. Center, good. Right guard, good. Right tackle. Left end, he was a big pickup. Huge pickup, 97 overall. And he's still young. This guy was going to start on the decline soon. So our D-line is going to be really good. Then we got Sanu. Then Williams as our D tackles. Then we got, left outside linebacker. Pretty good middle linebackers. Good, a little, okay. Right outside. Cornerbacks we have pretty good. And free safeties, we drafted him. Strong safeties, kickers. Okay. So, I think we had a pretty good draft. So we're gonna send this into the season because I think we're done trading. Actually, I think I may do one trade. I'm gonna trade Cole Beasley, so we don't need this many wideouts. So, and then we're gonna sim all the way to next season, and then we'll play by ear there. Because we don't need this many. Oh, we can't even trade. Alrighty then. We're gonna sim. Okay, put down in the comments. I think we have like a 90+ overall roster. I wish we could have got like a good outside linebacker, like an 85+, but didn't really happen. I'm gonna see if I could do any more trades, but I highly doubt it. I think this is gonna be a good team. Can we do any more trades? Let's see. Let's check out our overall people on the trade block. We don't need another D tackle. Guard, no. No. Okay, 93 offense, 91 defense. So we're like a 92 overall. I think we have a good shot. We've got like a 92 overall team. Can we do any more trades? Can we trade? Oh, we can trade. I don't need this many wideouts. Okay, I'm going to trade away Cole Beasley, and I'm going to show you what I can get back for him. Okay, guys, we are like a couple seconds away from seeing if we made the playoffs. I'm nervous. I think we're going to go 11-5. I'm going to look so stupid if we go like 7-9. Because I've done pretty much every single thing that we could. If we don't make the playoffs. Okay, we just did. Because we got a wild card bye week. So that does, I'm pretty sure that means that we are like the 1 or the 2 seed. Rodgers won MVP. We went 11-5. Let's go. I called it. I said 11-5. Let's see what like we came in. Cowboys 1 seed. Okay, we're the 2 seed. Rodgers is MVP. Check to see if Russell Wilson's MVP. Like it is. That's just cool. Okay, we were in 3rd. I can respect that. We came in 3rd again. We came in 2nd. So we pretty much were like really good. Okay. So I think we're gonna be facing, let's see our schedule. And then we're gonna go to the wild card schedule. Okay, so we lost, then we won both games. We started the season 4-1, 4-2, 5-2, 6-2, 7-2, 8-2, 9-2, 11-2. Then we lost. That's okay. And then we evened it out with and that's 10-5, and then we won our last game against the number 1 seed Dallas Cowboys. All right, so let's see. Okay, we don't care. So it's gonna be Drew Brees as the 49ers against some guy that I don't really know for the Saints. So you'll be facing either of them, or the Seahawks or the Falcons. The Falcons have Tom Brady. So I'm gonna advance to see who wins. Let's see. Okay. See who we're playing against, and then we will advance that week. Hopefully we can win the Super Bowl. That would be really cool if we won the Super Bowl. Okay, so we're facing the 49ers at home. Let's advance another week. Okay, I'm nervous. I really want to win. Let's go! Alright, so let's see. So we're 1 game away from the Super Bowl. Whoa. So we were the number 2 offense and the number 2 defense. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, let's see how. Look at the league schedule. I checked the wild card. Okay, so 49ers. So then we face the 49ers. Dang, Denver demolished. Then Atlanta won. Divisional round. It was the Jets upset the Steelers. Cowboys narrowly beat the Falcons. Broncos beat Buffalo, and by a good 14 points, we beat San Fran. So we're going to be going against Phillip Rivers, or I don't even know who the Jets quarterback is. Okay, we're going to advance. We don't care about the Pro Bowl. We're going to advance to the Super Bowl. Because do we really care about the Pro Bowl? Let's see, did we win? I'm nervous. Okay, Okay, nobody cares about the Pro Bowl right now. I'm gonna be mad if we lose. We beat the Cowboys. No, I think we lost. Cowboys, Broncos. No way. Oh, we were so close. Dang, we didn't even put up a fight. Dang. Alright. Looks like I'm gonna... That sucks. I guarantee if I played that game, we would have won, but that's cheating, though. Okay, so what do we need? We need... If we upgrade our wide receivers and our linebacker core, then I think that's all I have to do this offseason. Advance of the week. That really sucks. We were so close. And next year's gonna be our year. But still, coming from like 8-7-1 to 1 game away from the Super Bowl. Oh, that sucks. Dang, Tom Brady walks away from the game as once. Oh, great. Let's see who won the Super Bowl. That sucks. I really thought we were gonna win. Okay, the Cowboys won the Super Bowl. Okay, but at least we lost to the Super Bowl champions. If we're gonna lose that, we might as well lose to the champions. Okay, I'm gonna assign the players. Anybody big leaving? No. I'm gonna let 99% of these people walk. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys who I sign in the next video. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you guys don't mind, hit the like, subscribe button. This is part 2. Next will be part 3. Hopefully we win. If you guys enjoyed, this has been Bro. Peace out. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.